Morning, welcome to Bullseye Kitchen on a beautiful day. My name's Gordon, no relation to that asshole Gordon Ramsay. Today we're going to be cooking my mum's recipe, Scottish meatballs and ricotta cheese. First of all, going to prep. First of all, going to mince in. Then we add onions, like so. And then a little bit of olive oil. There you go. And also I like to put in a little bit of tomato puree just to help it bind and give it a little bit more flavour. Just put that much. And 1 egg to help bind. And mush it all up. Then we add a little bit of seasoning, salt, and then we add the ricotta cheese, which also helps to bind it as well and give it a little bit of more different texture. Okay, and then mush it all together. So then when your mixture is all ready, then we take a little fistful like that. And we start rolling on the side until the whole bowl is done. Okay, so after it all rolls, Jesus, my arm, then we pop in the pan and brown all over it. Just be careful with the pan, it will stick. Do little batches at a time, just keep an eye on it, they don't stick. I haven't got the best of pans today. Mr. Brian.
Hey Gordon.
How are you doing?
How's this?
Italian. Yeah. Just do a little batch at a time because it's good in case this pan sticks. Yeah. These two puppies here.
I know about those titties of yours. The fact that it's got mozzarella in it.
No, just my mum.
Oh.
Me mum.
Can I give you? You sound like me.
Go ahead.
If you use ghee, it doesn't burn. Then you use ghee.
Well,
that's what I do in India. I take the smoked solids out of the back and then it doesn't burn.
yeah.
It's just
We like a singe though. I like it. Okay, now your balls are chilling in the fridge nicely on this hot day. We're gonna give you a chance to make the sauce. So a little bit of olive oil,
Ingredients.
put in some garlic, and I like to add some green pepper as well, just to give it a bit of a kick. Sometimes I put chili in, but construction people are a bit what's the word, lager? Difficult?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't think I'll put garlic chili in today. Yeah.
Well, and orange.
Add your orange. So let these just brown quickly. So let these just brown quickly. There we go. Then you put your tomatoes. It can be crushed tomatoes. Sometimes you get those nice tomatoes with like basil already in. It's up to you. But I just use like whole tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. In there. Stir. I'm just going to add a little bit of cherry tomatoes to give it a bit of sweetness as well. Okay. Now, the main ingredients. Okay, important ingredients now. I like to hoy in some hoy, that's an Afrikaans word for Gary Brown is. Throw. So, hoy in some red wine.
Gooi.
Hoy. Are you sure that's wine? Is it wine? Yes, it is. Hoy in some wine. Give it a stir. Not acidic, so I like to add a bit of sweetness, and what I like to put in, which my mother didn't put in, is the world famous South African Mrs. Ball's chutney. A couple of tablespoons of that to get a little bit of sweetness and take the acidity of tomatoes. Look at that. I bet you don't get that in the UK. There we go. Ready? And then final thing is your herbs. Nice big chunk of basil.
What herbs are these? Basil?
Basil. Yeah. Then just stir that nicely. And then simmer for about 15 minutes. Cool. So the sauce is already cooking there, bubbling nicely. So the meatballs. There. One of our hungry construction managers. Oh, no. I don't know who you are. What's your name? Oh, Andy.
That looks delicious.
Thank you. I might have made it a bit too sweet with the Mrs. Ball's chutney, but you just have to work with me.
Very
There. Who's that? This is Simon, our HOD of Steel Department. He's looking very hungry. Well, pasta is ready to go on. The meatballs are like simmering beautifully. Hot water, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and hoy them in, China. Hoy them in. Don't be scared. I don't know how many people are coming, so I'm just going to hoy the lot. I keep saying hoy all the time.
Gooi.
Hoy, with a
Yeah.
There we go. Hoy the lid back on.
Dave doesn't want to be on the video. That's why he's hiding away.
So, pasta's done al dente. Bloody better be al dente. I'd like to put a little bit of cold water over it to get the start to it.
There you go.
There you go. Right number.
Lager Spielberg.
I hope you sanitize your hands.
Not in South Africa.
What are you putting there, Gordon?
Parmesan. Scottish Parmesan. I'm only lying. I'm lying. I'm lying, viewers. It's not fucking Scottish.
I'm trying to remember it.
Now for the vegetable.
Lusitania is where you first set up a
part of the
kitchen.
meal.
My daughter remembers that you made mush.
Look at that plating. That is so artistic.
Gary made mush for us.
This could be in a top restaurant.
Okay, this is me. I'm absolutely knackered. Signing off from Bullseye Kitchen. Little bit of mummy's food and enjoy. See you next time on Bullseye Kitchen.